Ni hao, welcome to another quiz time for basic Chinese, and the content for today's quiz will be vocabs from lesson 38. The first question, what is join in Chinese? We have A, 将加, B, 加, C, 预习, D, 复习. You can try to guess first. 张家 is join, 加 is add, 预习 is preview, 复习 is review. And join in Chinese is A, 张家, 张家. The next question, what is half in Chinese? We have A, 忙, B, 忙, C, 全, D, 半. Is it A, B, C, or D? 忙 is blind, 忙 is busy, 全 is whole, 半 is half. And half in Chinese is 地, 半, 半. The next one, what is review in Chinese? We have A, 复习, B, 预习, C, 忙, D, 忙. I will give you time to think first. 复习 is review, 预习 is preview, 忙 is blind, 忙 is busy. And review in Chinese is A, 复习, 复习. Another question here, what is whole in Chinese? We have A, 加, B, 张加, C, 半, D, 全. I will explain it later. 加 is add, 张加 is join, 半 is half, 全 is whole. And whole in Chinese is 地, 全, 全. And let's move on to the next question. What is blind in Chinese? A, 全, B, 忙, C, 忙, D, 半. Which one do you think is the right answer? 全 is whole, 忙 is blind, 忙 is busy, 半 is half. And the right answer for this question is B, 忙, 忙. Moving on to the next one. What is add in Chinese? A, 张加, B, 复习, C, 加, D, 预习. Which one do you think is the correct answer? 张加 is join, 复习 is review, 加 is add, 预习 is preview. And the correct answer for this question is C, 加. Moving on to another question here. What is busy in Chinese? A. 复习 B. 忙 C. 参加 D. 办 Which one do you think is the right one, guys? 复习 is review, 忙 is busy, 参加 is join, 办 is half. And B is the right answer for this question. 忙. And finally, the last question for today. What is preview in Chinese? A. 忙 B. 加 C. 预习 D. 全 Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? 忙 is blind, 加 is add, 预习 is preview, 全 is whole. And C is the correct answer for this question. 预习. So that's all for today's quiz. I'll see you guys again in our next lesson.